In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your emo ringtone. If you want to personalize your incoming call sound in emo, this is a quick setting you can change right inside the app. Updating your ringtone can make it easier to recognize emo calls right away, especially if you use different apps for messaging and calling. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open the emo app on your phone. Make sure the app has fully loaded before moving to the next step, so all menu options appear properly. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile picture. This is usually located near the top area of the app and gives you access to your personal account and app settings. Tap your profile picture to open your account section. From there, look for the settings option and tap it. This is where emo keeps the main controls for things like notifications, privacy, and other app preferences. If you don't see everything right away, just take a moment to scan the menu carefully. Inside Settings, select Notifications. This section controls the sounds and alerts you receive from the app. Once you're in Notifications, find the option labeled Ringtone or Call Ringtone. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but it should be easy to spot in the Notifications menu. Tap Ringtone or Call Ringtone to open the available sound choices. You'll now see a list of ringtone options. Scroll through the list and tap on a ringtone to preview it if your phone allows previews. This can help you choose a sound that is clear, noticeable, and comfortable for everyday use. If you prefer something simple, choose a clean tone that's easy to hear. If you want something more distinct, select a ringtone that stands out from your default phone sounds. Once you've chosen the ringtone you want, tap OK, Save, or Apply to confirm the change. The wording here can also vary depending on your device, but the goal is simply to save your new ringtone selection. After that, your emo ringtone should be updated. It's a good idea to test it later by having someone call you through emo just to make sure the new tone is working as expected. And that's it! You've successfully changed your emo ringtone, and your app calls should now play the sound you selected.